Striving to become one of America's top 20 public universities, Clemson University has pledged to set the national standard for public service. An important step toward that goal is Strong Communities for Children in the Golden Strip. Strong Communities, a pioneering effort to reduce child abuse and neglect, is a comprehensive initiative of the Institute on Family and Neighborhood Life, based at the Golden Strip Center in Simpsonville, South Carolina. The contributions from the residents of southern Greenville County and the surrounding communities have been tremendous. Thousands of volunteers have donated their time and talents to strengthen their communities, enhance families' well-being, and increase children's safety. From Conestee and Gant to Fork Shoals and Fountain Inn, from Malden and Simpsonville to Pelzer and Piedmont, people of remarkably diverse backgrounds have joined to keep kids safe. Some neighborhoods are rapidly growing and others have faced struggles, but in all of them, Strong Communities is fostering a new sense of community.
Strong Community here in Piedmont is strong for one reason, because y'all are a strong organization. We got the churches, we got different clubs. Since I got in with this Strong Community, we're starting a food bank. I've been doing this 41, 42 years. And right now, it's took me this long by getting with y'all to get it at its peak. And you say, what are you talking about the peak? I've got more organization working as one because of Strong Community than there ever has been.
One of the things that's really distinctive about Metro Greenville is that there's a cadre of people that really have strongly committed to making their community better, and we're building on that. Another reason, though, that we were interested in those communities is that we've got a lot of diversity in southern Greenville County.
Strong Communities is thus bringing the golden rule to life, ensuring that all children and all parents know that someone will notice and someone will care when they have reason to celebrate, worry, or grieve. Building on this theme, more than 100 churches and other communities of faith are participating in Strong Communities. Many of them are giving emphasis to neighborly support for families of young children, both within and outside their congregations. Often they are working through coalitions that transcend the boundaries of denomination, race, and social class. Local governments, public service commissions, and service clubs have also been leaders. They have proclaimed that their communities are Strong Communities for Children. They have begun discussions within the neighborhoods about ways to reduce the isolation that many young families experience, even in prosperous, growing communities. Within local governments, public safety agencies have been effective at supporting young families. Police officers and firefighters recognize that safety for children requires more than arresting criminals and extinguishing fires. They know that the safest communities are the ones with the strongest relationships. Safe communities are ones where people believe they can make a difference and watch out for each other. In Family Watch programs, police officers are helping to match parents of young children with volunteers who act as family friends. Firefighters have held neighborhood meetings, sponsored family activities, mentored school children, increased families' access to preschool services, and gathered and distributed food and bicycle helmets.
Belmont Fire Department is a very community, very service-oriented fire department. And what Strong Communities has done for us is to help us outreach even further with our neighbors and stakeholders in our district. We've touched families that were in need that we haven't even begun to meet yet.
Safe housing is an especially important element in the prevention of child neglect. Several apartment complexes have become key partners for Strong Communities. They have organized residents to improve the safety of the physical environment and to increase the collective supervision of children.
One of the things that I know, either we're going to be a part of the problem or we're going to be part of the solution. I felt that I wanted to be a part of the solution. Being a volunteer gave me that opportunity to watch family grow. For 7 years, I have been trying to find an organization that is going to be true in working with kids and working in our community to better the community. And Strong Communities have been a great asset for us. It's a great program.
Businesses have made significant contributions to Strong Communities. Local business associations strive to make child care and other family benefits more easily available to employees. Greenville County Schools, the Greenville Hospital System, and the Piedmont Center for Mental Health Services are also active partners in Strong Communities. Strong Communities is increasing the availability and responsiveness of help throughout the area by providing innovative approaches to preventive care for families of young children in homes, schools, and clinics.
It's an innovative project, and Strong Communities brings a lot to resident education in that we are actually getting the residents in the community. This is new for a lot of resident education. A lot of programs are trying to get them out there and getting involved to see what parents are actually referred to, what resources we ask parents to do, but this is one of the first projects where we're actually having residents be part of that. They're actually at the Parent Center co-facilitating group meetings with the parents and really acting as an advocate to empower the parents to take better care of their children. And with the goal of Strong Communities being to prevent child abuse, this really empowers the parents to look to each other for support. We want to promote a strong community, promote the physician being part of the community, all to help prevent child abuse, which is the ultimate outcome. Parents allow us to be part of their lives and to help educate and raise their children, and it's really, I really look at it as a gift. I mean, it's more than a job. You come to work every day and you're really making a difference in these children's lives, and I think this project with Strong Communities is allowing us to do that in even a different way, so we get to even go out in their community and be part of that, and they recognize us really as part of this whole community that's bringing this child up.
Clemson University is proud of its efforts to drive the future in Greenville County through the International Center for Automotive Research. Working in neighborhoods near the new campus, Strong Communities is the perfect complement to ICAR. Together, they offer the upstate the best in university-related economic and social development. Strong Communities is already world-class in its expansion and application of knowledge about ways to strengthen communities, support families, and keep kids safe.
Strong Communities is really very consistent with Clemson's institutional goals. It's a very large grant project. It's probably in the end will be one of the largest social science projects ever, not just at Clemson. Certainly for the prevention of child abuse and neglect, that's the case. It's advancing knowledge, it's serving the public, it's bringing together people from within the university and in diverse disciplines, diverse colleges and so forth. And it's bridging between community and university.
The administration of Clemson University and the faculty and staff of its Institute on Family and Neighborhood Life are privileged to recognize the many community organizations that have joined in this important cause to be good neighbors and to know, watch, and support their neighbors' children. Surely there is no more fundamental vision for improved quality of life for South Carolinians, and indeed, for people everywhere.